hope everyone is doing well. Imagine facing each day with a fresh sense of power, limitless energy, and preparedness to overcome any challenge that comes your way, all while letting go of worries about aging-related muscle loss. Our discussion today might lead to a significant improvement in your quality of life. With these 7 superfoods that fight sarcopenia, you'll find the best way to say goodbye to muscle loss. Keep reading if you're interested in discovering natural ways to boost your strength and energy. Have ever wondered why your muscles could seem weaker with age or both? Prepare to have your life changed by these delectable meals. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button. This simple action will show your dedication to taking care of your body and keep you updated with our latest health recommendations. We greatly appreciate your support, which motivates us to keep providing you with the best advice on leading a healthier lifestyle. From the 7th item on the list to the 1st, we'll break down every food item for you in this video. Find an easy-to-follow manual full of practical advice. If you're looking to improve your diet or are just beginning your path towards a healthier diet, you've found the right place. Now is the time to start improving your muscular health. 7. Kale. The extraordinary nutritional benefits of quinoa have made it a beloved crop for generations. A surprising amount of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals can be packed into such a little seed, demonstrating that sometimes the smallest things can carry the biggest punch. As a complete protein source that helps with muscle growth and repair, quinoa stands out due to its extraordinary capacity to supply all 9 necessary amino acids. If you're trying to remain to a healthy weight while putting on muscle, this is a fantastic option because the high fiber content makes you feel full for longer. You may use quinoa as a rice substitute or to make a hearty salad because of its versatile texture and mild nutty flavor. It also makes a great addition to soups, strong sides, and fresh salads. Consuming quinoa on a regular basis will supply your muscles with the nutrition they need to be strong and ready for everything life throws at you. Yogurt from Greece. In particular, Greek yogurt stands out due to its delicious flavor and plenty of minerals that are great for nourishing your muscles. We get a thicker consistency and a lot more protein from plain yogurt when we strain it. Because of its high protein content, Greek yogurt is a great food choice for promoting muscle development and repair. It works well as a supplement or for recuperation after exercise. In addition to providing a good amount of protein, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which is necessary for healthy bones and muscles. Because of its high bacterial content, Greek yogurt aids digestion and nutritional absorption. It can be eaten on its own, mixed with fruit, or sweetened with a drizzle of honey. A tasty and nutritious way to fuel your muscles all day is with Greek yogurt. 5. Poultry salmon is more than simply a delicious fish. There are a plethora of ways in which this nutritional powerhouse supports healthy muscles. These omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory and muscle recovery promoting properties, and here is a great place to get them. You can maintain your strength and endurance over time by lowering inflammation, which speeds up muscle recovery. Along with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is rich in high-quality protein, which provides the building blocks needed for muscle repair and development. Several minerals, such as selenium, and vitamins, such as B12 and D, are required for a healthy and active body, and this product supplies them all. A tasty and effective way to improve your muscular strength and general wellness is to include salmon in your meals, whether you like to bake, broil, or steam it. 4th, ovo. When it comes to improving muscular health, eggs stand out as an exceptionally versatile and nutrient-dense diet. These are some of the best places to get the high-quality protein that your body needs to recover from exercise and get stronger. If you want your muscles to recuperate and expand as quickly as possible, you need to eat eggs, since they are a treasure trove of amino acids. Eggs are a great source of protein, but they also include a lot of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, which is important for healthy bones, and vitamin B12, which is necessary for making energy. Additionally, they are rich in choline and selenium, two nutrients that are vital to good health. No matter how you like your eggs, boiled, scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, eggs are a smart way to provide your muscles the nutrition they need to be strong and resilient. You may have a wonderful, energy-boosting breakfast at any time of day by adding eggs to your balanced diet. They also help with muscle recovery. 3. Arugula spinach is more than just a leafy green. It provides tremendous benefits to your muscles and is a nutritional powerhouse. This vibrant vegetable is an excellent source of several nutrients that support healthy muscular function and general physical strength, including vitamins A, C, and Ku, magnesium, and iron. Antioxidants found in abundance in spinach protect muscle cells from damage and promote faster recovery after exercise by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Spinach also helps your body absorb nutrients better, since it is high in dietary fiber, which promotes good digestion. It is simple to include spinach to your dishes. If you want to add it to salads, smoothies, or make a light sautéed side dish. That's all. Incorporating this nutrient-dense leafy green into your regular diet will provide your muscles the support they need to stay strong, heal well, and perform at their best. Nuts and seeds. A delicious and filling snack isn't the only thing almonds are good for. In order to maintain strong muscles, they are a nutritional must-have. Protein, which is necessary for the regeneration of muscle fibers after exercise, and important fatty acids are abundant in these little powerhouses. Vitamin E, which is abundant in almonds, is an effective antioxidant that protects muscles from oxidative stress. Muscles are able to contract and relax more easily due to the increased magnesium levels in these foods. A handful of almonds, whether eaten on their own or mixed with food, provides consistent energy, reduces inflammation in muscles, and speeds up the body's recuperation time following exercise. Almonds are a great snack to eat on a regular basis, and they also provide your muscles the protein and fat they need to grow stronger and more robust. 1. Breast of chicken, the undisputed king of muscle-building nutrition. Chicken breast tops our list of options. The high protein content of this lean meat makes it very valuable, as it is essential for building and repairing muscle. For individuals who are trying to maintain a healthy diet while working out, chicken breast is a great choice because of its low fat level. The amino acids included in the protein are perfect for growing and repairing muscles, especially after a strenuous workout. Grilling, roasting, or stir-frying is just a few ways that chicken breast may transform into a variety of delicious recipes. In addition, this provides vital nutrients, such B vitamins, which are important for metabolism and the conversion of food into energy. Making chicken breast a regular part of your diet can ensure that your muscles get the protein and other nutrients they need to be strong, heal quickly, and perform at their best. Thank you so much for joining us in exploring these thoughts. We really value your time and effort. Much obliged for your time. We hope you found the material to be inspiring and useful as you start your journey to healthier, stronger muscles. Remember that being consistent is key to reaching your goals. Subtle changes to your food and way of life can have a huge impact in the long run. We would be really grateful if you could subscribe to our channel, share this video with your loved ones, and give it a thumbs up if it motivated you or gave you some new ideas for making a good change in your life. If you want us to keep making videos that make you want to live a healthy life, we need your help. Remember to remain dedicated to your wellness path. Keep moving ahead, and we will see you in the next video. Embrace the journey towards better health and more energy.